We are living in a modern world where the world has been adopting different techniques to gain competitive edge in different sectors of life. Artificial intelligence is one such tool. In this lecture, I will explain a few uses of artificial intelligence and I will also shed light on the consequences of applying artificial intelligence for the best interest of few nations. My name is Waqar Hassan, and this lecture is for you if you want to learn about the usage and the consequences of employing artificial intelligence in our lives. Artificial intelligence is being used nowadays to develop robots that can become assistants. Such robots they act like assistants and they remind humans about their day-to-day tasks. Robots have been developed to remind humans to take medicines, to read a book, and to go to sleep when humans are done with their job. So, artificial intelligence is used to develop robots to assist humans in their lives. Artificial intelligence is being used to assist humanity in the field of medicine. It is very true for the field of diagnostics. Robots they have become capable enough to examine x-rays and to develop reports after examining an x-ray. Moreover, artificial intelligence it is now assisting doctors to identify the condition of a patient. It does so by studying the reports that are available to identify the conditions of a healthy man and a patient. Now it depends on the availability of data. It can only become a successful model if we provide the machines with enough data to go through all the kinds of conditions and to go through all the kinds of cases humanity has ever encountered. So artificial intelligence it can assist humanity in medicine, but there are certain limits to it. In case of an accident or an incident that has never occurred before, artificial intelligence owing to the unavailability of data might become redundant to perform certain tasks in the medical domain. So it has got its limits also. Moreover, artificial intelligence is being used as a translator. Nowadays, scientists have employed artificial intelligence to assist people to translate languages. So it has become a most important tool in the field of education also. Artificial intelligence is being employed in the advertising industry to enhance the productivity of marketing campaign. Websites such as Amazon and Alibaba, they have already employed artificial intelligence to improve their efficiency and to enhance their reach to their customers. Artificial intelligence is also being used in the industrial sector. For example, robots they have been developed to be deployed at the airports to get rid of flocks of birds. In this context, an experiment has already been performed where a flying scarecrow it flies in the sky and it turns out to be a useful tool to get rid of flocks of birds in order to avoid untoward incidents. So artificial intelligence has proved quite useful in the industrial sector also. Moreover, we also know that artificial intelligence is also being employed for the development of automatic cars, but it has got ethical concerns. When it comes to avoiding an accident, artificial intelligence might find it difficult to decide between choosing a person or an object in case it comes across a situation when there is no other way but to hit the person or the object. So it depends what humans feed to robots. that work in the domain of automobile industry. Artificial intelligence, it can serve humanity, and these are the very examples in which artificial intelligence can prove very useful to transform the future of humanity. But there are certain limitations to it. Artificial intelligence is being used by many countries to gain advantage in warfare. It will transform the way humans interact and compete against each other in the domain of war. It will definitely give advantage to the advanced nations to completely transform their military sector, and it will definitely allow them to implement their plans and to get whatever they want by genetic conflict, because artificial intelligence, it has the potential to compete humans, not only to compete humans, but to win within a matter of few minutes against humans in the domain of war. So its unethical use in the warfare might involve consequences for humanity. Moreover, artificial intelligence, it can breach security and privacy of individuals. We are living in a connected world, and employing artificial intelligence to perform such tasks that can breach security and privacy of citizens, it might invite a disaster. It might generate conflict. It might enhance intercultural conflict. It might invite religious conflict in different parts of the world. So it's an ethical act, but it is a matter of few years that nations might employ this in order to bring chaos. But definitely, it depends on how we develop a mechanism to minimize its negative use. So, artificial intelligence, it has got positive consequences as well as negative consequences. But the most dangerous consequences that the terrorists, they might employ artificial intelligence to win their objectives. This can be a nightmare for humanity. If terrorists use artificial intelligence and if they can grab this technology by hook or crook, they will definitely inflict misery on humanity. So, we need to develop a mechanism to minimize and restrict the unethical use of artificial intelligence. And we need to make sure that we employ artificial intelligence in order to provide maximum benefit to humanity. No technology in this world is harmful if we employ it by ensuring its ethical use. So the world needs to develop a mechanism. We need to form some rules, develop a mechanism, and we need to cooperate with each other to promote the positive use of artificial intelligence and to restrict its negative use. Definitely, the world will witness progress and prosperity if it cooperates to bring maximum productivity and efficiency in the employment of artificial intelligence for the benefit of humanity. However, if the nations across the world, they use artificial intelligence to gain competitive edge in all the sectors and to outperform each other, it will invite a kind of a disaster for the world. So it's up to us that either we choose to use it positively or we choose the path of destruction. Thank you so much.